Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to record voiceover in DaVinci Resolve 19. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by opening your project and switching to the Fairlight page. This is the audio workspace where you'll record and manage your voiceover tracks. You can preview your video from here while preparing your narration. Before recording, create a dedicated audio track for the voiceover. In the track area, right-click on an empty space and choose Add Track. If you're recording with a single microphone, select a mono track. Once the new track is created, rename it to something like voiceover to keep your project organized. Next, connect your microphone to the new track. In the mixer panel, locate your voiceover track and click the No Input selection field. Choose Input to open the audio input settings. From the list of available devices, find your microphone, select it, and click on Patch. After patching the microphone, close the settings window. To begin recording, arm the voiceover track by clicking the R button on that track. Once the track is armed, start recording and speak into your microphone while the video plays. As you can see, my voiceover is showing on the track. If you'd rather not hear other audio tracks while recording, you can temporarily mute them. If you experience monitoring or echo while speaking, disable audio monitoring or mute the output until recording is complete. When you're finished recording, stop the recording process and unmute any tracks you previously muted. To improve audio quality, you can apply noise reduction to the voiceover track. Click on the plus icon on the audio channel, go to the restoration category, and select noise reduction. Once applied, the effect will help reduce unwanted background noise and make the voice recording cleaner. And that's it. So that's basically how you can record voiceover in DaVinci Resolve 19. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.